Okay, what did I say? Half a teaspoon?
Yep.
What are you guys making?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter cake?
Cookie.
Oh, cool. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Where'd all those little spoons go? I need a half a teaspoon. Where's the half?
Can I do it?
Yep, as soon as I have it for you. Just a minute. Here it is. Smell. Okay, put it in there. Okay. Now then.
What's the most fun thing about making peanut butter cookies? Naya?
What do you think? Helping mix?
Yes.
Helping put stuff in?
Yes. Can I have a...
Maybe eating some of the dough?
Yes. Can I have one right now?
No, not right now. We're going to mix it up first. All right. Save this for here. Now then, let's get all this stuff out of the way. Okay, girls. So round and around.
Oh, I'm doing this by myself.
Okay, Penny, put your hands on Naya. That helps. Your bowl hands. Okay, ready, guys? Mix it all around. I'll hold the bowl.
Wow!
The little hands away. You gotta move your wrists around like this. Move your hands. There we go. Forward and backwards. Forward and backwards. Uh-oh, stop. Everything stop.
Did that happen before?
We gotta beat her down.
You gotta beat her down. Hang on.